Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename a folder in Dropbox. So let's have a look now. Go to the Dropbox website and log in into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, locate the folder you want to rename. Click on the folder and click on these three dots and from the drop-down menu, select Rename. Type the new name for the folder in the provided field, press Enter or click outside the field to save the new folder name. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.